Welcome back to another video from Vishu's BioLogic. In this video, we'll talk about herbarium technique, its function, and about botanical gardens. So, let's get started. Now, herbarium is a collection of preserved plant specimens that are dried, pressed, and mounted on a stiff white paper according to a recognized system of classification. In India, we generally follow Bentham and Hooker system of classification for preservation of herbariums. Now, herbarium technique involves the following steps. First one is collection. Next, drying. Then, poisoning. Next is mounting. Then stitching. Then labeling. And lastly is deposition, in which we will follow the Bentham and Hooker system. Now we'll look into each of the steps one by one. First is collection. Now collection involves collection of plant samples. Next is drying. Now drying is generally done by pressing it or folding it in between papers. Next is poisoning. Now poisoning is generally done to avoid microbes. Now this is generally done with the help of 0.1% corrosive sublimate of mercury chloride. Okay. Next is mounting, stitching and labeling. Now the dried plant specimens are then glued and stitched onto the herbarium sheet and attached with a label. Now the generally used herbarium sheet size is 41 into 29 centimeter and that of the label is generally 7 into 12 centimeter. Last is deposition according to the genus folder. Now, the major function of collecting and preserving herbariums is that they provide a quick and accurate source of identification, and yes, they can be used for research and other purposes. Now, there are few such famous international herbaria. One is Royal Botanical Garden in England and one of Indian origin is the Central National Herbarium in Calcutta. Next are Botanical Gardens, which are institutions that are located in an enclosed piece of land where they grow a huge number of plant species, generally representing the local flora of the place. But in some cases, they also do in situ and ex situ conservation of some really endangered plant species. There are few important botanical gardens. One such is that of Indian Botanic Garden located in Shivpur, Howrah. The other, Royal Botanical Garden in England. So, if you like my video, please give a big fat thumbs up. For more interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel.